Prior to testing, the test team creates a thorough test plan that aligns with project requirements and product features. They carefully analyze the requirements to plan each phase of testing, determining the test scope and types such as manual and API testing to ensure alignment with project needs. During testing, testers associate defects with specific test cases. This helps them quickly identify the root cause, assess the impact on requirement realization, find a solution, and adjust test tasks to keep the testing process running smoothly. CodeArts TestPlan allows for bidirectional associations among requirements, test plans, test cases, and defects to ensure the reliability of test processes and results. This video demonstrates how to add associations among these elements. Associate requirements. The first thing is to set a test plan based on an overall requirement. From the navigation pane, choose Testing. Testing Plan. Click a test plan, click the Requirements tab, click Add Requirement. Select the requirements to be associated and click OK. In the test plan, click the Design circle. The test cases of the current plan are displayed. Click the Associate Requirement icon in the Operation column, or select Test Cases in Batches and click Batch Associate Requirements. Select the requirements to be associated and click OK. Click the test case name, click the Requirements tab, and click the requirement name. The Requirement Details page is displayed. To cancel the association, click the Disassociate icon in the Operation column. Associate defects. For test cases that fails to be executed, you can associate them with defects to quickly identify problems. From the navigation pane, choose Testing is greater than Testing Case. Locate the test cases to be associated with a defect, and click the Associate with Defect icon in the Operation column. In the displayed dialog box, select the target defect in the current project and click OK. After that, you can go to the defect list page and view the defect details and associated test cases. From the navigation pane, choose Work is greater than Defect. Find the associated defect, click it, and view its details. Click the Associations tab, expand the test cases list, and check the associated test case. That's all for this video. We hope you find it helpful. See you.